Welcome! This episode shows you how to easily install or replace a SIM card in your Samsung Galaxy S20 5G phone. A SIM card, or Subscriber Identity Module card, is a small memory chip that identifies you as a unique cell phone user, your carrier, and your country of origin. Your carrier obviously uses your SIM card to track your cell phone expenses. In addition, when you authorize requests to identify and track your location, these requesters track your GPS location with software that uses your SIM card identity. To make your phone operational, you'll need to install this card in your phone and register it with your carrier. Within your Samsung Galaxy S20, your cell phone carrier will provide you a new card. In this case, our carrier is T-Mobile, who's provided us outstanding support over the years. When my wife and I received our new phones, T-Mobile included our SIM cards and SIM card extraction tools in the package. The SIM card extraction or removal tools were located on the back of the black packages that included the phone instructions. If you don't have this tool, you can use a paper clip, small finishing nail, earring post, needle, straight pin, or any other small diameter object. Start by turning the phone face down and insert the SIM card removal tool in the hole that is closest to you. Then press the tool into the hole and the SIM card tray will pop out. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the SIM card from your carrier's plastic packaging card. I had to remove a couple of the surrounding plastic border layers on the card before isolating the card itself. Be careful not to damage the SIM card. I also think it is a good idea to remove your fingerprint oil from the card's metallic contact surface. So I now have the SIM card removed. At this time, I'm going to insert the card into the tray. This is a close-up view of the tray. As shown, you should orient the tray with the hole in the upper right-hand corner. Notice that the truncated edge of the tray is now in the lower left-hand corner. Also, this indentation and lip will keep the card from falling through the SIM card opening. Next, align the SIM card so its truncated edge is on the lower left to align with the tray's truncated opening on the left. After pressing the card, you'll hear a click. Please note that this is the only way that the card can be placed into the tray. If you have an SD card, you should place it into the large opening in the SIM card now. If you don't have an SD card, don't worry about doing this. Line the hole in the tray up with a hole in the phone and insert your tray. At this time, we successfully installed the SIM card. Once again, we removed the SIM card from its plastic packaging card provided by our cell phone carrier. We opened the SIM card tray with the extraction tool and pulled the tray out. We installed the card in the proper direction with the truncated edge on the card matching the truncated opening in the tray. We then lined up the hole in the tray with the hole in the top of the phone, and we finished by pushing the SIM card tray into the phone to complete the installation. This concludes my installation of a SIM card in a Samsung Galaxy S20 5G phone. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and select the YouTube bell, so YouTube will notify you of all my new projects immediately after I publish them. At this time, I'm moving on to my next project. You're more than welcome to follow. In addition, if you have a great project that you want to post on my YouTube channel, email me some pictures and a brief description of it. If it qualifies for the Let's Fix It Right standards to help others, I'll interview you over the phone as a guest do-it-yourselfer, produce a high-quality video, and post it on my Let's Fix It Right channel. For the year following this posting, I'll share 50% of the potential YouTube benefits with you. If you have any subject matter requests or recommendations, please contact me. All of this said, I recommend that you subscribe to my channel, follow my projects, and save a bundle of money doing it.